Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to find good coin using Pump.fun, and this is pretty much easy and you can do this. So all I want you to do is to watch this from the very beginning to the very end. Do not skip any step you get. So this is Pump.fun. This is the home screen. All you can see are this now trending, the coins that are currently trending. This particular one, just a little guy. This is a market cap 4.6, about 112 replies. And this brand has market cap 200, market cap is about 591k, about 201 replies. So these are the coins that are currently trending and they are the top you get. So I will also be showing you some tools that you can use on Telegram to easily buy and purchase this coin, because these coins most likely do go up really fast and they go down really fast. So you can simply look through them and buy the coin based on market cap or based on the ticker, the one that is funny that you believe that is going to do really well. Yet, because if you see this, I know a guy you get, if he comes to this place on the trendy coin, this is one we are just a little guy and they created a coin that looks not it. So we can have to open this up in a new tab if you want and then check them out. Then open up the ones that you're interested in. Basically, there is no much tech analysis for you to do. I'll walk you through the simple ones that you can possibly do. You get, so those are the ones that you think has potential or the one that's currently trendy, and then you can simply check it. You get, so let me open up this first one that open up. Let's just give it a sec. So the market cap of this program is about 4.6 million market cap, and the all-time high is about 9.6 million, as you can see. So what we're doing is very simple. And on the chart, you can see right here that the dev bought at this particular place is dev have not sold. So you can make adjustment to the chart if you want. Get, so on this place, you get to select the time frame. So let's put this in 5 minutes so that I can like chart very well and see what it has been doing. Okay, the chart look natural. It doesn't look like a chart that they are promoted with bot. As you can see, there are buys and stuff like that. So chart looks natural. Market cap is about 4.5 million market cap. Is particular player if you get. So this is not at the top of about 10 million market cap. This is like probably start try to get or start the second wave you get. A few things that you can do is simply check the top 10 orders. This you can see the top orders. This particular wallet is really about 4.32. Holiday should be the one on Popular Fund. And this one is only 1.5%. You get, and this is the 1.5 and stuff like that. So as you can see, people holding the top holding it is very few, and the corners got it. They mean that this coin is currently on showing on this corner at this particular time. Get, so you can check the comments. Last comment was made about 2 minutes ago. I'll be long there. I know the last comment was made, and check it through to see people are still actually buying it. Who are buying the coin there? There are more people who are currently buying and selling the coin. Get, people are actually trading this particular coin. This is what you should look for. You look for a coin that people are coining or actively trading. The next step I probably do is, if I want to buy this coin at this place, the coins are following like a curve, which I think is at the support level. You get, so it's like probably still go down, but since this is a new coin found on what it's called come to form, like people still interested in it, you get. So what I probably do is, want to buy this place, I'll simply use bot. You can simply log into your account, get, and quickly buy and sell at this particular place. You can see, once you log into your account, you need to find where you can buy and can sell at this place very fast to get. So if you buy at Fund America, you look to profit, I will get to 8 million rate cap, something like that. You get, because on the chart, this is like the done. Can take profit from 8 million or 10 million market cap and move away, you get. But there are other apps that you can simply use to check to buy if you want, in case you want to buy. You can also use, you can go to Telegram. There's this bot, TTF bot, TTF bot to check the coin get to actually see the top 10 orders, what I and those stuff. So I paste the link in this book called TTF bot. And as said, you can regard the details of this particular course as I was going to say. It shows that the coin is very good. It says looks clean to me, which means that the coin is good. Liquidity has been bought 100%. It's not meetable. Top 10 orders are only how many percent? The market cap, liquidity, And this based of 10 order is only 14%, which is actually very good. So see, this will tell us that this particular coin is actually a very good coin that you can purchase in. Then you can use these bots to buy if you don't want to use if she's down about Pump.fun can use this, but you can see once I pay the CA, I've already automated the amount I want to buy. If I want to buy 0.06 for 1 so simply click on it and I will buy. Then if I want to DCA, I can simply click on it, it's going to buy. If I want to set limit, I can simply do it at this particular place. So with this, can really buy and sell this particular token really very fast. Get so this is it. So as you can see, this it is very easy to actually look for good coins on Pump.fun Gate. And as you can see, what I checked, actually check the total orders, and you can see the chart is not looking like what is B pump. You get most time if you see a chart that is just going up straight, you get in a straight line, you know that chart they are pumping it using bots or something like that. So the next coin that I opened up was Burn House. Michael is basing on Trinity market cap. Again, these are coins that is currently on the trend they get. The leisure coins actually verify that they have community you get. We first get wallet only by 8.67. Let's just use our table to check token order. Token order are holding more than 20%. It's actually not a very good sign. It means that if people actually dump the coin, yeah, if they decide to sell the coin, we're going to want to loss. Understand? Well, the good thing is that this other coin has already got it tagged, and so I know it's total order only about 57%, which is not good. If you could sue, if you're this person actually said this particular coin, the coin might actually don't get understood. So it's not a very good coin to buy. And let's see, let's look at the chart and let's probably cancel what I'm talking about. You can see the dump. Let's input this in, let's say 5 minutes, so you can see the chart very well. That's the coin went to about 6 million, and I probably think few persons sold. I can see the coin has got to 600k. This is what I'm talking about. For a coin to dump like this, only means that if one of the others actually say the coin dumped, well, this is why you don't actually buy a coin that most persons like the dev only more than 20% you get. The coin, the dev or people with total wallet are only 50% of the spend needs to king. If you decide to save, just 10 minutes it says this coin is gone. That's why it's not recommended. At the same time, you can also check the trades to see if people are buying. You can see most places are selling. This coin probably going to run to zero. And last time somebody sold this coin was about 1 month ago. So this is not a very good coin that you can probably look into. So let's check the next one. Market cap, 16k market cap, and also use also use that. We also use it's able to check the total orders. Then after that, then you can start to look for ways to gas. So this is 1 minute, and this chart is not looking really good. You can see pump. This chart not looking really good. Yeah, it's not looking good. So you click on the trade, you will see if it's just only that is buying or they are pumping the coin. And as you can see, activity of the wallet. Few wallets are buying and selling. They are pumping the coin. You can see same wallet just buying and selling repeatedly, which means that they are trying to pump the coin to attract people to get into the coin. So if you buy this coin, you might end up getting yeah, I don't recommend you get into a coin that looks like this. That's not. I just wanted to get few things from this last video. Again, if you want me to make a detailed video to look for good coin issue, let me know. You can see the way the chart is. Uh, chart went straight up. The next is started going horizontally. So this is not a very good chart. Well, like the very first one I open, you can see how the chart looks natural. Yet, if you see the chart looks natural, you know that it's probably a very good coin. But when the chart is looking like this, you know that it is not a very good coin. But you can check the transaction, the trades to see if they are just tinted wallet guys are buying and selling the coin. Yet, this is very, very important. You guys, this will be it. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. Please wait to like, subscribe, and turn the bell icon.